unboxing video. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I've ordered. So I've ordered a piece of kit which I needed for my MacBook, plus I needed to connect to my monitor over here. So that was the problem. And I've got all these ports, and you know how MacBook is, that it's basically it's just got these 4 USB-C ports. So I need to connect other stuff as well, and especially I need to connect an HDMI, and I was struggling. So for that, what I did was I researched from the internet, and I found out that this would be one of the fantastic options, right? It's an 8-in-1 USB-C adapter. So it's got a Ethernet plug, SD card port, 2 USB ports, and then USB-C ports, and an HDMI port. In the front, it's just yellow in color, simple, plain, looks very simple. I got it for £20, that is roughly $23. And over here it shows us a picture. It depicts a picture of what it looks like when it's connected. So I'll just give you a close-up view of the product itself, and let's check out what the original product looks like. So guys, I've shown you out the outside. The packaging is quite simple. It's not a branded USB-C adapter. It was just the common one, which you would just get from eBay. I just bought this from eBay, so it's nothing fancy. I didn't want to buy any fancy brand. Yeah, so I'm quite surprised that the first thing is that the build quality, it looks amazing. It's matte in color, it's a bit shiny, and on the top there is this plastic sort of thing. I'm not entirely sure what this is, but that's the RJ45 connection. And over here you have all the ports. You got 2 USB-C ports, and then you have the HDMI port, which I'm just going to connect, and then we'll test it out. And then you got these 2 USB super speed ports, and you have your micro SD card and your SD card ports, right? It weighs it feels very light, and overall the build quality looks good. That's a bit thick, the wire. And over here, I'll just show you that that is the USB-C port, which will connect into my MacBook. And it's pretty much plastic everywhere. So this is sort of metal, you can say. I'm not sure if it's really metal, but it looks like it is a bit metal. But yeah, the build quality is nice, looks really neat. Let's go ahead and then connect it. So guys, in the laptop or in the MacBook, what you need to do is you need to just go into the settings, and over here the display settings, and it'll start showing everything on your external monitor. Just let me show you guys over here. So that's my HP monitor. Sorry about the lighting. I'm just setting up my studio, so it's not going to be the best lighting at the moment. But yeah, I've got everything over here. Now what I can do is I can work on my MacBook while everything is connected, and it just makes it super easy for me to work on a larger screen, as you can see over here. And what I'll do is I can use scaled, I can use larger text. This device is doing a brilliant job, and it's really worth the money just for £20. The build quality is really good, and as I said, it's not even getting heated up, and I can even connect my SanDisk Extreme SSD to this USB-C adapter, and that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to set it up as much as I can. We'll just put it over here just to show you guys that because that is my flagship item which we're talking about. So let's just put it over here, and let's see if I can basically do something with the display. Yeah, so you can see that it's very easy for me to now work on my on the full screen instead of this small tiny screen which I had. That's actually what I wanted. And so I'm just going to my channel. Of course the speakers are not set up, so that's why I will get the sound out of my MacBook instead of the monitor. My monitor does have speakers, but I'm not going to use my monitor speakers. But in terms of any sort of lag or anything, no way. There is absolutely, I feel that there is absolutely no issue. But as I'm literally clicking on it or whatever I'm doing. It's like super easy. So really highly recommend you to get one of these USB ports if you are looking for an investment. It's really cool. As I told you, it didn't cost me much even, and it'll basically run everything. So guys, this was my quick video for the USB-C adapter with the HDMI port, and it's got the SD ports and so on. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below and I'll reply back to you. All right guys, thanks for watching and bye for now.